So today this caught my eye, and if you've been here before, you'll know by now when that happens. I'll take you with me on a walk in 4K to have a look at what it is. And the reason is this colour. It's actually really nice. Look at it in the sunlight. It's got a metallic. It's storm grey. It's brand new for 2025 on the GR Sport Yaris Cross. And it's actually a free colour option, so you don't have to pay a penny for this if you buy the GR Sport. As you all know, I like to go an extra mile in my research, so we've got the RAV4 GR Sport, Yaris Cross GR Sport. If you're thinking about buying either of these, let's have a quick look. So that's what the inside of the Yaris Cross GR Sport embossed seats. Quite nice. Quite nice cabin, GR Sport wheel. Let's have a look in. Bit of a bigger cabin, isn't it? Bigger infotainment, bigger chunkier wheel, all grey seats. See what the GR embossed. So there you go. The last we'll see of these new RAVs actually before the new one comes out next year. As you can see, this one's brand new and looking beautiful. On a side note though, on the RAV4 and the Yaris Cross GR Sport, Yaris Cross GR Sport, you get just the unlock and lock with a GR Sport key, 2 GR Sport keys. Whereas the RAV4, you can turn the AC on, so when you're not in the vehicle, you can turn the AC on before you get in it on a hot day, so that's pretty good. You get a boot release on there as well, but you don't get GR Sport. On the GR Sport RAV4, you just get a RAV4 key. Just thought that was worthy of noting. I mean, that's the current brand new model. That is very nice. So that is 50,000, and these are 32. So yeah, let's have a look at this colour. What do we reckon? It's got the black roof, it's metallic, and it's storm grey. What do we think? Yay or nay? We'll have a quick look through the inside. We've looked at quite a few of these. I'll tag them on at the end, go and have a look at my automotive catalogue. You've got very nice interior in this GR Sport. GR embossed headrest, thread stitching, suede with red dots in it, with a clever outer trim, wireless charging. We'll get around there in a sec actually. They've got 360 camera standard in this, which you never used to get in the GR Sport. It's one of the options you now get. GR kick plates, GR mats. Not the best leg room in the back, but it's not too bad, is it? 60-40 split. You've got a top tether here as well, so you can have the seats with a top tether kid seats that is, or a Isofix in the bottom. I do believe this bit clicks up. Yeah, so look, you can have that. It's got a plastic trim on it. It's got 2 drinks holders in there. Very nice. No electric boot release on these. GR trimmed mat, got the faux floor, because on the all-wheel drive, it actually, the floor raises up. I've done another video on that. It'll be in my catalogue, go and have a look. The floor's slightly higher in the all-wheel drive. So yeah, just a little look through today. Got the very nice Goodyear tyres on there. All your usual electric windows, cup holders. Quite nice trim with the red and the grey, isn't it? It's got your blind spot monitoring right there. This has got like a red tint to it. Electric windows, door locking, yeah, power mirrors, you can have them in or out. Let's jump inside, quick look. What we got down here, all your options, spared, wireless charging, a couple of charging ports, you've got heated seats as standard. And then let's go into, actually let's shut the door, have a look at the 360 camera. These now come with standard. There you go, so you can see all around the car. See if you're going to go drive over anything before you drive off, which is quite handy. Anything else changed on these compared to what we looked at before? I do not think it is at all any different. No, it's all the same. Energy flow, you see what your batteries are doing, or see what's powering your vehicle at any one time. You've got the auto dimming mirrors. You've got the SOS switch here. You press that, dials the emergency services. Pinpoint your location. You've got an illuminated mirror here, so you'll have an illuminated mirror here as well. So yeah, GR steering wheel. Got your options on here. Very nice, clear digital clocks. They're all very precise, isn't it? As I always say, these hybrids are very quiet to drive. You can just hear a pin drop in here. It's almost like an ASMR session with the squeaking of the steering wheel. Yeah, you have to drive them really to appreciate how good they are. What we got down here, anything different? Oh, we got the view button. So like, yeah, there's a view button here. So what we can do is I'll press the view button now, and then it will spin all around the car. So you can have a look all around your car before you pull off, which is quite a cool feature. Got it on my RAV, my RAV's on here. I was going to part exchange my RAV in, bit of a story. I did a video on a load of cars I was looking at because I forget stuff. So I thought, you know what, let's post some videos. And they're doing really well. So thank you for everyone who's watched them. So if you want to carry on watching them, you can change the option on this as well. So yeah, let's see, you can look around like that. I mean, how cool is that? Look at that. So yeah, if you want to have a look around cars with me, subscribe and I'll take you with me. I won't even charge you a penny. What about that? Power stop start here. Oh, it's got the Nano X in here as well. I've mentioned it before a few times. See there, Nano X air conditioning, which adds a little bit of moisture to your air conditioning. So on long journeys, you can sometimes get a little bit dried out, like on a flight, you get a bit of jet lag. Adds a bit of moisture so you don't feel so tired, jet lag, dried out when you get there after a long journey, which is a pretty cool feature. So yeah, look at these seats, very nice. So it was mainly the colour we were looking at, wasn't it? So let's get back out. Got the 360 camera on the front here, GR badge. Got the daytime running lights on the edge. Daytime running lights here. GR Sport only comes in a 130 brake horsepower front wheel drive though. The Premier, you'll see the video I've done previously, the Premier is now the XL. They've made it a bit confusing. They've moved the Premier to XL, which you can get in all-wheel drive, but made it cheaper because it's now called the XL. So this is now the most expensive in two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive even you can get. So yeah, a bit confusing, but this, like I said, is brand new. So what do you reckon of that colour? Because like I said, as always, I'll have a look with you. We'll have a look and see what we think. Is this a yay or nay? So leave a comment for yay or nay. If you think it is a yay or nay, what do you reckon? I quite like that. I mentioned it before, they've matted out the wheels now. These are like a matte grey. They used to be a really shiny piano black. Also has the daytime running light across here as well, which gives you a light across the back, which does look quite nice. All very nice now, aren't they? They have sensors front and back as well now, standard on the GR Sport, as well as the 360 camera. So, as always, if you found that video of use, please do give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel immensely. And I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this. And I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. You have a great day. A great comparison. Got the GR Sport Yaris and the GR Sport RAV. What do we think? GR Sport RAV. Yaris. A little bit smaller. Still quite capable, but that's the big bus. That's what I've got at the moment. I was looking to downgrade, but I don't know. I've had it nearly 5 years now. It's the longest I've ever had a car. We just can't get rid of it. We can't part with it. We love it so much. Things are bulletproof as well, aren't they? If you've got one, you'll know. Touch it to lock. So what do you reckon? Yaris Cross, RAV4, both GR Sports, 50,032.